Alright, that's it. I'm putting my Oculus in a microwave.
What the hell? Yeah, don't do this. It actually breaks up. No, I think he did.